Module Overview : This foundational module introduces you to the core principles, terminologies, historical background, legal frameworks, and theoretical underpinnings of land acquisition and site evaluation. The aim is to lay a strong conceptual and contextual base upon which more advanced technical modules will build. The learner will be immersed in understanding the multidimensional value of land, the legal mechanisms that govern land ownership and transfer, and the strategic importance of evaluating a site before development. Land is not just a physical space, it is a strategic resource interwoven with cultural, economic, political, legal, and environmental dimensions. As such, acquiring and developing land demands a sophisticated understanding of its dynamic role in society, history, and urban development. This module explores these perspectives while introducing you to the various purposes of land acquisition, whether for private investment, public infrastructure, industrial expansion, urban planning, agricultural use, or environmental conservation. 1. Concept and definition of land. Legal definitions of land in statutory and customary law. Physical versus abstract land rights, e.g., air rights, subsurface rights. The economic importance of land in capital markets and development land as heritage, spiritual ground, and territorial identity. 2. Understanding land acquisition. What does land acquisition mean in different jurisdictions? The historical evolution of land acquisition processes, colonial, post-colonial, and modern regimes. Types of land acquisition: voluntary purchase, compulsory acquisition, land leasing, government allocation. Actors involved: private investors, real estate developers, public agencies, communities, legal representatives, traditional rulers, land-owning families, etc. 3. The purpose and importance of site evaluation. Why site evaluation is critical to the success and sustainability of any land-based project, pre-development site analysis. Environmental, legal, market, and technical assessments. Preventing land acquisition failure through site due diligence. Case examples of poor site evaluations leading to project failure, litigation, or sunk costs. 4. Key terminologies and concepts. Freehold versus leasehold certificate of occupancy C of O Gazette, deed of assignment, excision, right of occupancy R of O easement, land encumbrance, lien, land survey plans, and parcel number, statutory versus customary land ownership. 5. Global and local frameworks of land ownership. Overview of global systems, Torrens system, deed system, title registration. Overview of Nigeria's Land Use Act of 1978, customary land tenure systems in Nigeria, and their challenges, role of land use and allocation committees and Bureau of Lands. 6. Principles of land. Acquisition, ethics, and justice land. Acquisition and human rights. Avoiding land grabbing, forced displacement, and involuntary resettlement. The importance of transparency, fairness, and community engagement. The politics of land reform in Africa and beyond. 7. Land as a catalyst for development. Land in relation to urban growth and smart cities, agricultural transformation, industrial zones and infrastructure, environmental sustainability and climate change, mitigation, strategic importance of land for foreign direct investment, FDI, industrial clusters, and smart cities. Learning outcomes. By the end of this module, you will be able to define and explain key terms related to land and site acquisition, understand the historical, legal, and economic foundations of land ownership, differentiate between types of land tenure systems and acquisition processes, explain the significance of thorough site evaluation before any acquisition, recognize ethical concerns and best practices in land dealings, analyze land as a multifaceted asset within developmental contexts,